Music Stargazer Podcast. Rose, our
The VP Choice Awards News Anchor of the Year and as people's favorite news anchor was earned.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Iri Jiri Desobrana Gomez, or EJ Gomez for short. Crime reporter working on an overnight shift at or for GMA News and
Hi everyone, good evening. Again, my name is Bianca De Vera. And unang-una sa lahat, thank you so much again, VP Choice Awards, for this award. Honestly, the word promising feels very, very intimate to me. Number one, because it reminds me na I am still becoming. Number two, nire-remind niya rin ako na marami pa akong tatahakin sa journey ko. So, I would like to share this award to everyone who believes in what I can do sa kakayanan ko hindi lang bilang isang tao, bilang isang artista, hindi bilang isang babae rin. So, thank you everyone, and of course, I would like to thank my Star Magic family, my ABS-CBN family. Maraming salamat po for your unconditional love. I would also like to share this award to my parents, Mommy, Daddy, hello. And ayun po, maraming salamat po, and thank you everyone. Have a good night.
Congratulations!
The VP Choice Awards Fandom of the Year recognizes the most passionate and dedicated fan community in the industry. This
These awards celebrates are the ultimate ingredients of all time.
The nominees are Ashley Serrano, Serena Manalo for It's Okay Not to Be Okay, Mikey Quintos for I'm Natalia from Uncle Summer, Lia Valentin for Ano Sala, Stephanie for Mata Quiles, Sarah Jo for Mama Kiana, Vivi, Twice Award goes to Ashley.
Hello everyone, good evening. First of all, thank you so much VP Choice Award for this recognition. This means a lot to me po talaga. And I also want to thank my Sparkle GMA Artist Center family, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, and to my Acusado family as well. Kuya Benj, at Ana, at Leah, Direct Dom, and to everybody who guided me for this role. And to all my supporters, and of course my mom. I'm really thankful. And of course, thank you, Papa God, for this blessing. And I'm just really happy to receive this award. Thank you.
Ang susunod po, wala ko lang po hawak niya. Yan. Video po, ready? 1, 2, 3, video po.
Once again, congratulations to all our winners, and thank you to our presenters. Ready, aim, shoot, we are ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
Ang Mangyayang Section E, Entry E for It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Harvey Bautista for Ito Ito.
Ayan, so first of all, I would like to thank Sparkle Jimmy Artist Center, and of course, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, at sa buong Jimmy team. And of course, I would like to thank the Akusada fam, kila Kuya Benj, kila Ate Ada sa pag-guide sa akin all throughout the taping. You know, it is truly a fulfilling and heartwarming experience to be recognized in doing what you love. And ito, sobrang laking pasasalamat to. Kumbaga, this is just not just a trophy, but a symbol to push myself, to better myself in every aspect of the industry. So maraming salamat. I owe it to you guys. Thank you.
Raffles lang, sapat na, laging million views. Sir, I give it a good